Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check and inflate your wheels, your tire pressure. First step, open the driver's door because there is a label. There's a sticker, and on this sticker there is the tire size, the tire pressure for the front wheels, the tire pressure for the rear wheels. And this is what we will need now. Go to your wheels, go to your tire, use the inflate machine and remove the dust cover. After this, press the valve tool on top of the tire valve, and you are going to see how much pressure is inside. Now you are going to press plus or minus to rise or to lower the tire pressure inside your wheels. In this 15 inches tires is on the back side of your car is 2.2 bar, and on the front tires is 2.5 bar, the right tire pressure. Do the tire pressure check if your tires are cool. So cool cars need cool tires to check the tire pressure, of course. Check the tire pressure at least once a month, and in addition, before starting a long journey. The tire pressure should only be checked when the tires are cold. That's important. And this is the front version, 2.5 bar. Nice. After you finish or you reach the right tire pressure, install or reinstall the dust cover. Now let's go inside your car. Now we have to store the tire pressure settings. First step, switch ignition 1 to 1, of course. Then go to the vehicle computer system, MMI. Select the function selector button car system, then car systems, then servicing and checks, then tire pressure monitoring, and then store tire pressure. Then yes, store now. If you have a car with a button for it, then go to the glove box. There's a button for the tire pressure loss indicator. This is the same way, only press a button and it's stored. Good job. This is important because we changed the pressure inside, of course. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.